Hi, we're at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at 8.5 by 24 enclosed trailer. At the front we have our jack coupler and safety chains. There's 24-inch stoneguard along the bottom and tip of your V-nose. This enclosed trailer has an escape door on your driver's side above your tires. This trailer does have teardrop aluminum fenders. Coming along to the rear of your trailer, there is a spring-assisted loading ramp. This trailer does come with 4 tie-down points. There is also a passenger side entry door with a step. We have a light switch for your 12-volt dome light as well as your vent. We have the escape door from the inside. This trailer does have an interior height of 6 foot 6 inches, as well as 3/4 plywood floors and 3/8 plywood walls. Coming towards the outside, you have your passenger door from the outside of your trailer. This trailer does come equipped with 2 5,200-pound greaseable axles on 15-inch wheels and tires. This trailer does have a black screwed exterior. Once again, this is an 8.5 by 24 enclosed trailer. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.